Potato mixed bean goulash. Prepare the ingredients. Dice the onion, slice the chilli, dice the tomato, cut the potato into cubes, chop the peanuts. Heat a pan over a high heat, add the onions and saute until golden brown. Add the diced tomato, add the chilli, stir well. Add the raw sugar, cook for 3 minutes. Add the cooked mixed beans, add salt and pepper to taste, add potatoes, add the peanuts, add the lemon juice, cover with vegetable stock, stir and cook for 10 minutes, covered. Garnish with chopped coriander and serve.